Every trustee search follows a clear, repeatable process. Let's walk through each step.
Start by collecting the client's full name, loan number, property address, lender, and servicer details.
Confirm the current servicer, note the original lender, and record any loan transfers.
Next, visit the SEC's EDGAR database and locate filings like 8K or 10K for the lender or trust.
Search within those filings for mentions of the indenture trustee and trust agreement.
For mortgage cases, check county records to track ownership changes and assignment history.
Next, review state UCC filings. The secured party listed there is often your trustee.
Carefully review the client's paperwork, others. Even footnotes and small print can reveal the trust name or investor.
If public records aren't clear, call the servicer and professionally request the trustee's information.
Finally, cross-check all findings, confirm addresses, and store verified data in the client's file.
Following this process ensures every trustee record is accurate, complete, and compliant.